Hello guys, this is Lakshman again. A monsoon is on the high in India, and to keep himself or herself dry, a biker must have a raincoat. And I bought one recently, so let's review it. It's from Quecha, and this is made in India. This is the jacket. It comes in a nice small pouch, which eventually becomes the pocket for the jacket, and you can store mobile or keys in it. It has a dual zip on it. It's very light fabric, and as you can see, the pouch, which was having the raincoat, is now the pocket for the jacket. And all the inner stitches are covered with a plastic coating so that the water doesn't get in. Um, as you can see, all the stitches are covered in the plastic layer. The zip is also covered from the back side with the plastic layer. This jacket comes in blue, black and orange color. I went for the orange to match it with my Duke 390. And this jacket will cost you 399 Indian rupees. This is the trouser. It comes in black color. It has zipper at the bottom so that you can wear them when you have your shoes on. And like the jacket, all the inner stitches are covered with plastic. All the stitches up to the waist height. It comes with only one color, black, and it has no pocket in it. But I hope XL and XXL sizes has pocket in them. There's large one. And to pack them, it's really easy. For the trouser, you just need to roll it in and put it in a plastic bag. You can compress it if you want to reduce the size. And to pack the jacket, you just need to take out the pocket, which will become the pouch now, and you can just put whole jacket in this pouch. You have to do a little effort, and after a little effort you will be able to put the jacket nicely inside the pouch. And they both are very compact. You can just put them in your daily backpack, or you can compress them, and also you can put them under the back seat of your bike. So now let's test them in the real weather, in rain. So this is me driving Splendor, wearing the raincoat in Dehradun. And actually I wanted to shoot this video on my Duke 390, but then it doesn't rain much in Delhi NCR, and when it rains you might not have your action cam with you. So I was in Dehradun, this is my hometown. I was there for a weekend and it was continuously raining, so I thought let's test it here. So it's mild shower, not very heavy rain, but it's continuously mild shower, and when you're riding the bike, a mild shower feels like heavy showers. So it was a good testing conditions. So I was doing a trip from my home to Yamaha showroom, which is in the middle of a railway station and a clock tower. Dehradun railway station and the center of the city, where the clock tower is situated. I was going there to buy the windshield of Phaser 1.0 for my Duke 390, as the original KTM windshield comes at a price of 3,500 bucks Indian rupees, and that's a lot of money for a piece of plastic, I hope. And you can get a Phaser windshield, which is a direct fit on KTM 390 in just 240 rupees. So there was a huge difference, so I thought it's wise to get a Phaser windshield instead of the KTM one, although I like the KTM one more. It's really look nice on the bike. So you can buy these raincoat, jacket, rain jacket, and the trouser from Decathlon store. You don't have to buy them in pair. You can buy them separately. The jacket will cost you 399, and the trouser will 799. Both, it's near 1200 bucks. The Decathlon store in Noida is located in Sector 18, and you can buy them online also. And if you live outside Delhi NCR, then there are Decathlon store in different cities, so you can find them there. These raincoats are not breathable, and that's the only negative part about them. You will feel hot inside them, or you will feel suffocated when you will be standing still in the traffic when there is no rain and you are wearing them. Like I was wearing them when this rain stopped and I was heading back home and I got stuck in the traffic, and that time I was really feeling hot inside them, and I was feeling suffocated, so I had to take them out. But yeah, when you're riding the bike, the airflow is good. You will feel much comfortable when you are riding the bike and wearing them out. So I, after when the rain stopped, I checked myself, and I must say I was completely dry. No water get inside the raincoat, and so they did the job, and they are really good. So this is Shahzada Road in Dehradun. It's completely raining, and this is my Git 2 Pro action cam from which I'm shooting this video. And yeah, I must recommend a backpack cover, a backpack rain cover with this raincoat, because this rain jacket, you cannot put a backpack inside them. It's not that big, or you have to buy a XXL size, I hope. But then it will be huge. So buy a separate backpack cover, rain cover for your backpack, and also some rain cover for your shoes also. Well, in Decathlon store there were between rain trousers that has the cover for your shoes also, but they are a little costly, I hope, near 2000 price range. So there is still Shahzada Road. I must say, when it rains in Dehradun, it keeps raining for the whole day, and you just cannot get outside your home without a good raincoat. And for the people of Dehradun, I must recommend this raincoat combination. As you can see, there are commuters who are not wearing any raincoats, and they got completely wet under the rain. The rains are very unpredictable in Dehradun. But yeah, in Dehradun you don't get the waterlogging problem which you generally see in Delhi NCR, because the terrain of the terrain of Dehradun is slanted, and all the water gets easily drained through the canals which are present in the city, and eventually get merged into some river. It is still Shahzada Road. I'm driving on it. and soon I'll be uploading a video of the Orange Assist review. I recently got my bike crashed in a minor accident, and I must say that minor accident broke a lot of things on my bike, and I have to call the Orange Assist. So watch out for that video also. That will be coming soon in the coming weekend. I hope I'll try to complete that on coming weekend. So now we are at Nalapani Chowk. This is the Nalapani Chowk here. One road on the right is going for Karanpur. Right side road, I don't know where it's going. Some Vihar or something, some colony. So now we are reaching to Raipur Road. So this is Raipur Road. If you go left from here, you will go to the Raipur, and if you go right, you will get to the Survey Chowk. So now the rain is almost stopped. Mild rain shower, very mild rain shower is going on right now. This guy has a good raincoat also, but he's only wearing the jacket and maybe backpack inside it, but no trouser, as you can see. Trouser is a must because when you are sitting in the seat, all the water from your jacket get drained to the seat and get inside from your trouser. And I found that in local market space, whatever raincoat you buy, the trouser doesn't have the inner the plastic coating on the inner stitches, and because of that, when there is heavy rain and you are wearing your full raincoat, local raincoats, then the water get inside from those stitches and wet your pant. So if you are buying a raincoat, then do look for the raincoat that have plastic coating over the stitches, especially in the trouser. Traffic gets real slow in rainy season, and soon you will see the half the road Half of this road is submerged into water due to heavy rain previous night. So now we're gonna reach to Survey Chalk. There's the police station on the right, and as you can see straight ahead there is Survey Chalk, and now this half of the road is submerged into the water. Too much rain last night. Avenger. So in Dehradun, you will find a few places where this waterlogging problem is there, but uh, most part of the city will be completely drained from the waterlogging because of its terrain slantness. So there's the Survey Chalk. If you go straight right from there, you will get to the Rajpur Road. If you go left, you will go to the Rispina Pull, and if you go straight, you will go to the clock tower. Now this guy is driving Charisma ZMR and not wearing any helmet, no raincoat. Please, please wear protective gears when you are driving the motorcycle. At least helmet to save your head. There is a guy who makes a video about protective gears, and like as per his theory, at least you should spend 10% of your motorcycle cost on protective gears. At least, at most, whatever you feel like. So on the left, it is Tibet Market. This market is run by Tibetan, and on the right side it's Gandhi Park. It's the center park situated in the center of the Dehradun, center of the city, you can say, Dehradun Park. Now if you have gone straight down, you have reached Clock Tower. I'm taking a left to go through Doon Hospital. Now the rain is completely stopped. I am feeling comfortably fine in these jacket right now because I'm driving. The airflow is good. But yeah, when I was coming back home, and I got stuck in the traffic, then it was really suffocating and it was hot. So straight from this road and you will reach Gantagar, and I took a left and it will take me to Doon Hospital. This Charisma rider may be thinking that I'm following him. but I'm not. When this bike came, Charisma ZMR, new version, I really didn't like this bike. The looks are uh, not good as compared to the previous version. But now, when I'm seeing this bike, when I'm seeing someone riding this bike, it looks pretty cool from the back. I don't know about the side or the front, but it's look good from the back. So this is Toon Hospital. As you can see, there's a white building on my left. That's Toon Hospital, and we'll go straight from here. Yeah, this right building is sorry, left white building is Toon Hospital, and we will go straight from here and we'll take a right and then again right, and we will reach the Yamaha showroom. Unfortunately, when I reached Yamaha showroom and I asked for the windshield, the part was not present there, and I had to buy it eventually from Noida. I have not yet put that windshield on my Duke 390, because if I put that, then the rain cover for my bike doesn't cover the whole bike. So maybe I'll put that windscreen in a week, over a weekend, make a video about it, and I'm gonna use it only for touring, for city ride. I think uh, we don't need a windshield. So if you take a left from this road, you from here, if you take a left, you will reach the Dehradun railway station. And I took a right. I'm going towards the clock tower, and here's my destination, Yamaha Service Center. So this is it, guys. This is the video. Like, share, comment, and yeah, goodbye. Till next time.